Chakra alignment for financial abundance. Brief overview of chakras and their significance. Introduction to the concept of chakra alignment for financial abundance. Understanding chakras. In-depth exploration of each chakra. 1. Root chakra, connection to stability and financial security. 2. Sacral chakra, creativity and abundance. 3. Solar plexus chakra, personal power and confidence. 4. Heart chakra, love and openness to receiving. 5. Throat chakra, communication and manifestation. 6. Third eye chakra, intuition and insight. 7. Crown chakra, spiritual connection and abundance mindset. The link between chakras and finances. How imbalances in specific chakras can affect financial well-being. The role of energy flow in attracting abundance. Chakra alignment practices. Root chakra. Grounding exercises for financial stability. Sacral chakra. Creative visualization techniques. Solar plexus chakra. Confidence-building practices. Heart chakra. Cultivating gratitude for financial abundance. Throat chakra. Effective communication for financial success. Third eye chakra. Developing intuition for financial decisions. Crown chakra. Spiritual practices for aligning with abundance. Practical steps for financial abundance. Incorporating chakra alignment into daily life. Creating a holistic financial abundance plan. Success stories. Real-life examples of individuals who have experienced financial transformation through chakra alignment. Potential challenges and solutions. Common obstacles in chakra alignment for financial abundance. Strategies to overcome challenges. Expert insights. Quotes and insights from experts in energy healing, chakra alignment, and financial success. Conclusion. Summarizing key points. Encouragement for readers to embark on their chakra alignment journey for financial abundance. Key points. 1. Understanding chakras. Highlight the characteristics and functions of each chakra. 2. Chakras and finances. Establish the connection between chakra balance and financial prosperity. 3. Practical alignment practices. Provide actionable techniques for aligning each chakra. 4. Real-life examples. Share stories to inspire and illustrate the transformative power of chakra alignment. 5. Expert insights. Incorporate wisdom from experts in the fields of chakras and financial success. 6. Holistic approach. Emphasize the importance of integrating chakra alignment into a comprehensive financial plan. This outline provides a structured approach to developing a detailed and informative piece on the topic. You can expand each section with relevant information, examples, and practical tips to create a comprehensive guide on chakra alignment for financial abundance. Certainly. Here are some potential benefits of exploring and implementing chakra alignment for financial abundance. Increased awareness. Engaging with your chakras fosters self-awareness, helping you understand the energetic aspects influencing your financial reality. Balanced energy flow. Chakra alignment promotes the harmonious flow of energy throughout your body, removing blockages that might be hindering financial success. Clarity and intuition. Aligning with your higher chakras, such as the third eye, enhances clarity of thought and intuition, aiding in making informed and prosperous financial decisions. Boosted confidence. strengthening the solar plexus chakra can boost your confidence and self-esteem, empowering you to take bolder financial actions. Enhanced creativity. Balancing the sacral chakra is associated with increased creativity, which can lead to innovative financial solutions and ventures. Emotional well-being. A balanced heart chakra fosters emotional well-being, creating a positive mindset that attracts abundance and financial opportunities. Improved communication. Aligning the throat chakra can enhance communication skills, facilitating negotiations, networking, and overall success in financial endeavors. Grounded stability. The root chakra, when balanced, provides a sense of stability and security, forming a solid foundation for financial growth. Spiritual connection. Balancing the crown chakra allows for a deeper spiritual connection, fostering a mindset of gratitude and abundance. Holistic approach to wealth. Chakra alignment encourages a holistic approach to wealth, considering not only financial aspects, but also spiritual, emotional, and mental well-being. Reduction of stress. Practices associated with chakra alignment, such as meditation, can contribute to stress reduction, positively impacting overall health and financial decision-making. Alignment with abundance mindset. Chakra practices can help shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, attracting prosperity into your life. Increased resilience. The process of aligning chakras enhances resilience, helping you navigate financial challenges with a positive outlook. Alignment with life purpose. Chakra work may aid in aligning your financial goals with your broader life purpose, fostering a sense of fulfillment. Positive energy transmission. Aligned chakras emit positive energy, which can influence your surroundings, relationships, and opportunities, contributing to financial success. It's essential to approach chakra alignment as a complementary practice alongside practical financial planning. Integrating both aspects can lead to a more holistic and balanced approach to achieving financial abundance. In conclusion, the exploration of chakra alignment for financial abundance offers a holistic and transformative approach to one's relationship with money and prosperity. As we've journeyed through the intricacies of each chakra and their potential impact on financial well-being, it becomes evident that aligning our energy centers can be a powerful catalyst for positive change. The benefits derived from chakra alignment extend beyond financial success. They encompass mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By fostering a deeper connection with our own energy and understanding how it influences our financial reality, we empower ourselves to navigate the complexities of wealth with mindfulness and intention. Chakra alignment serves as a guide, providing insights into the interplay of energy, mindset, and financial outcomes. From grounding practices associated with the root chakra to the expansive and intuitive energies of the crown chakra, each step in the alignment process contributes to a more balanced and prosperous life. It's important to note that while chakra alignment can be a powerful tool, it is most effective when integrated into a comprehensive financial plan. Practical steps such as budgeting, investing, and financial education remain essential components of achieving long-term financial abundance. Ultimately, the journey of chakra alignment for financial abundance is a personal one, and the benefits are as unique as each individual. Whether seeking clarity, confidence, or a shift in mindset, the alignment of energy centers offers a pathway to self-discovery and empowerment. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember that financial abundance is not solely about wealth accumulation. It encompasses a state of well-being that allows you to live a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. May the alignment of your chakras be a guiding force, illuminating the path to financial prosperity and holistic abundance.